Here he comes. Hurry up. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Downward dog pose.
He's coming. He's testing. Oh shit, he's going back.
Stop it.
You got to be faster than that. You ready? Oh, you can't do it?
No, I'm not fast.
Well, how many goddamn paper towels do you got?
I'm not seeing him.
He's right there. Come on, please. Come on, son. What?
Nothing.
Sure you're dead, you motherfucker. You go ahead and laugh. Here.
Sneezed in my face. I hate that. Come here, Guppy. Come. You good girl.
Elusive motherfucker, boy. Did you see that shit, boy? That's why we don't leave the back doors open.
Or give Shania food.
No. Fuck around my goddamn curtains. I hope y'all heard that shit. Fuck behind.
You don't want to be there, no? Shania.